Yo, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for checking out the channel. My name is Rudy. My channel is Stay Busy Building. Sorry about that. It's the air dryer on my air compressor. Today, I'm just going to be showing you guys a quick video. I've been having this table sitting around for about 2 years now. It's a Langmuir Systems. Langmuir system, crossfire XR. 4x8 table. 4x8 table. This is the first cut that I've done here. I had this artwork on my computer here. I didn't know if it was gonna work, but it actually came out pretty damn good. Surprised how good this came out. This being my first piece of steel that I cut. This table's been sitting around a while. I've been kind of procrastinating on getting it going, and it's just been, just some work. I'm not very much a computer guy, so it's going to be a learning process for me. So if you guys can help along on this process, I've been watching a lot of videos on how to do this and set everything up. But it's finally dialed in. Got my first cut going. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys check out this first or this second cut. It's a sign that I just made for my garage. Let's see how this comes out. I'm gonna let you guys see how this Langmuir Systems table works. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please drop them down below. If you guys have any tips for me, anything to look into to give myself some better cuts, please, any info would definitely help. So check out the cut. I'm gonna go ahead and hit start. Well, I'm gonna go to, excuse that again. Let's go to work 0. That basically zeroes out the table. Back to square one. We're gonna go to start. I did a dry run already just to kind of see where the material is gonna be cut and make sure I don't have any problems within the cut. So we're gonna go ahead and push start, and we're gonna watch this thing cut, man, do its work. Check it out. Oh, let's see, stop. Well, see, that didn't work well. Let's go to work 0 again. Oh, I was still doing the dry run. See, there we go. Shows you how new I am to this, right? So we're gonna go ahead and fix this one more time. This was also off as well, so that's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Sorry guys. So it's kind of hard to record and do at the same time. Connect the ground clamp. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Table's set up now. I still had it on a dry run, so that was my mistake. Like I said, I'm new to this, so here we go. Let's start. Now, no dry run. Start cut file. Let's do it. That came off the edge there. That's recut, generate. So that's gonna come out a little screwed up. Let's see. Oh no. Oh, yeah, let's try that again. All right, guys, let's see how that came out. Grab some pliers. Let's see. Due to the smoke in here, I do have some, like I said, I'm a little excited. It's my first time doing the cut, so I don't have any water inside the table yet. That I do need because look at this garage full of smoke right now. But that's coming, so check out this iron, guys. Let's see if I can put it somewhere you guys can. It's hot there, but let's see. Let me put this somewhere where it's a little more visible. Look at that. Rudy's garage. That's pretty damn cool. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry guys for the angle, but I think that'll work. So, you guys like this type of work, man? Langmuir system table. Looks like it's gonna be doing a pretty good job. Please like, subscribe. Maybe I show some off-road stuff. Maybe we can do a little cruising in the 6.4 Impala, you know, post some work on the Silverado. But mainly this channel is probably going to be a lot of fabricating, gate builds. I got a gate that I'm working on there, a couple gate projects that got a bunch of extra steel that I got laying around. But you guys are interested in this type of work, please like, subscribe, maybe get some barbecue builds going here. And hit the like, subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks. Peace.